Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission is to factorizing trinomial, quadratic trinomial. Actually, it is 8-6. I will complete it and take more example, more situations. Okay, I will remind you how we did before by solving this quadratic equation. Actually, the first step, yes, we multiply this coefficient by c, which is 6. Let me rewrite it again, please. 2x squared plus 13x plus 6. I multiply this by this, it will be 12. This is the first step. It is positive 12. And don't miss the coefficient, it is 2. Yes? Are you happy with that? Good. Now you have to find out the two factors of positive 12. Okay? And the sum of them equal positive 13. Clearly it is 1 and 12, yes? So I will write like this, first step. And I write x here and x here, and I will write the 12. Let me, yes, 1 here and 1 here, both of them positive. 12. Okay. Now what about this? I do 2 copy every time. Okay, 1 copy, I put it under one number here or here, but it is better to put it under the 12 because 12 divided by 2 equals 6, and because of that I have to go to the other side here and put it front the x. Okay, now let us simplify. 12 over, actually it is over 2, it is equal 6, and we done. Are you happy with that? It is easy, yes? Good for you. Now I have a question from one of my students. Said, teacher, if I have a big number here, as you see here, 6 multiply 20, it is equal 120, yes? Good. Okay, I will rewrite it here. R square negative 23 R plus 120. I just multiply the 6 by the positive 20, and now your mission to find two factors for 120. Okay, if you try the famous one, for example, 3, the 120 come from 3 multiply 40, and 120 come 2 multiply 60, and 120 come 30 multiply 4, or 120 come yes, 20 multiply 6. Okay, you will struggling to find the two factors. But let me tell you something. If you try like this, the easy one, and you cannot find it, okay, I advise you to do like this situation. If you cannot find it in the easy way, okay, or the famous factors for the C or the any number, so you can do like this. I will take the 120 here, okay, and draw like this, and start dividing by 2. Divide by 2, it is 60. Divide by 2, it is 30. Divide by 2, it is 15. divide by 2. Oh, sorry, it is not divide by 2. The 15 is divided by 5. It is 3, and divided by 3, it is 1. We done. Now the problem is here, the negative 23. I have to find the difference, or yes, the difference of the two factors must equal 23. If you check here 60 and the 2, okay, it is not working. 60 plus 2 equal 62, 60 minus 2 equal 52, so it doesn't work. But if you try here 30 and 4, 30 plus 4 equal 34, 30 minus 4 equal 26, so I cannot get the negative 23, yes? So I move here and try 15 multiply by 8, because the factors here 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, which is 8. 15 multiply 8 equal 120. Okay, so you will figure out it is equal 23. Okay, it is equal 23, but under one condition, as you know, under one condition, which is both of them must be negative. But how I know both of them are negative numbers? Because of this, my dear student. I have here positive number, positive c. If here is positive, that means the two factors have the same sign. So maybe positive, maybe negative. But which one tell me it is if it is positive or negative? This sign, my dear student. This sign tell me, or tells me, that the two factors here, the 15 and the 8, both of them are negative. Okay, my dear student, so let us continue. I will draw like this, and write R and R here, and negative 8 here, and negative 15 here. Okay, so I'm done from this. It is helpful for the big number if you cannot find the factors in easy way. Okay, my dear student, good. Now don't miss this guy and make 2 copy of it, but instead make 2 copy. Okay, let us go one step up. Okay, my dear student, I take the 6 here, okay, from here. Okay, I will take it here and write it like this one. So I will write it like this. This is the 6. I will write the two factors of 6. It is 2 multiply 3. Okay, are you happy with that? Okay, teacher, every time you make like this, you take the 2 copy and you put 1 copy here under one of these, and the second copy you put it here. Can I do this? Yes, my dear student, you can do this. Okay, you can do this, and this is correct. But now you have to move forward, okay, to learn more and make your solution is good, especially if you have a multiple choice. So you need to do this. The 6, which is the coefficient, I will break it 2 into what? 2 and 3. I will put the 2 under one number. It is work with the 15? No, it is work here. So because it is work here, I have to write 2 here. You know the system, and this is very good for you. And take the 3 and put it under the 15, and because of that you have to put the 3 here. Now simplify, my dear student. 8 divided by 2 equal? Yes, great, it is 4. Let me change the color. I will put it, I use all the colors actually. Yes, let me keep it with the green. So it is 8, I forget. Yes, it is 4. The answer is 4. Forgive me, my dear student. And here, 15 over 3, it is 5. See, we done. Are you happy with that? I hope. So my dear students, let us take number 9 now. And this is the last example. Okay, you have to do it by yourself actually, to make sure you get all the details and you can do it correctly, because sometimes you stop somewhere. So now it is 3d square plus 23d plus 14. Okay, let's go. The first step, we multiply this by this, the a by c, and this is equal 42. Let me rewrite it again. D square plus 23d plus 42. So I just multiply this by this. Are you happy with that? Now we go back and check what you know about 42. Actually 42, you have to try this. 42 come from the famous one, 6 and 7, and 42 come from 2 multiply 21. Yes, okay, so I got it. 2 plus 21, the sum of them give 23. So I'm good. So I erase everything here and keep the factors and start working. So it is d plus 2 and d plus 21. Now now my dear student, come back to the coefficient. You're not finished. The coefficient is 3, and the 3 is a prime number, so no need to do anything about it. So take 2 copy as you learned before. I will take this copy and put it under the 2 or under the 21. You tell me. Which is good? Yes, it is here. Here is better, yes? So it is divided by 21. And because of that, I have to write the 3 here. So the answer will be 3d plus 2 multiply d plus or positive what? 7. We done. Are you happy with that? I hope so. So what else? Okay, let me take the last question. Please forgive me about this. Okay, this give the last step that we learned about. Okay, give the last step we work with it. One more example. Now, as you know, we multiply the 8 by the positive 3. It will be g square. With power 2, read it square. Don't worry about it. 14g plus 24. And as you know, the 24 come from, yes, clearly it is come from 2 multiply 12. But because this thing is negative, I will try -2 multiply -12, and this is the factors of positive 24. So because I find it, I will write it correctly. I open this, I write G here and G here, okay, and -2 here and -12 here. Are you happy with that? But I will never forget the 8. I will bring it here, the 8. Bring it here and cut it to 2 and 4. You see? Because I can cut it. Okay, my dear student, let us start. Okay, let's go. I put the 2 where? Tell me. It is work with this and work with this. Okay? But if I put it here, I will put the 4 here, yes? But 2 over 4, it is not good. So, I will put the 2 under the 2. And because of that, I have to put 2 here. Here is this. And I will put 2 here. And this is 2 over 2. And this, the 4, I will put it under the 12, as you see. And because of that, I have to write 4 in the other side. This is helpful for the multiple choice question. Okay, so the answer will be 2 over 2 equal 1, so it will be -1, and 12 over 4 equal 3, so it will be -3, and we done, my dear student. Thank you for watching. Okay, and I hope you get the points. Okay, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.